Hello, my sweet friend. Did today feel a little bit hard? Did something happen that made your heart feel heavy? Maybe things didn't go right. Maybe someone was unkind. Or maybe you just feel a little sad. That is okay. You don't have to pretend to be happy right now. You are allowed to feel sad. You are allowed to cry if you need to. Just like the sky has rainy days, our hearts have rainy days too. But Cheda is here, and he wants to show you something beautiful. Look at Cheda. He is looking right at your chest. Underneath the sadness, deep inside you, there is a tiny, beautiful star. Can you see it in your imagination? It is your very own inner star. Sometimes on a hard day, the star gets a little bit quiet. It hides behind the clouds. But no matter what happened today, nobody can ever take your star away. It is always there. It is always yours. Let's help it shine again. Let's whisper some magic words to your star. Just listen and let the words hug you. I am allowed to let today go. I am not my mistakes. I am brave, even when I feel small. Watch your star. It is glowing a little brighter. It is warming up your chest. I am loved exactly as I am. I am enough. I am already enough. The light is spreading. It is washing away the heavy feelings. It is traveling down your arms, making them warm. It is traveling down your legs, making them soft. Look at your room now. Your beautiful star has filled the whole room with a warm golden light. The shadows are gone. The hard day is over. Tomorrow is a brand new day, but tonight there is nothing to fix. Let's say it together, very slowly. I am safe. I am shining. I can rest now. Your heart is warm. Your mind is quiet. Sleep deeply, my beautiful star. Good night, Cheda. Good night, Leo.